How to use DALL-E 2 to edit images. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. In this video, we're going to show you how to use DALL-E 2 to edit images. DALL-E 2 is an AI-based image editing tool that allows you to generate high-quality images with just a few clicks. Whether you're a graphic designer, content creator, or just someone looking to create visually stunning images, DALL-E 2 can be a powerful tool in your arsenal. With its advanced AI algorithm, DALL-E 2 can transform your images in ways that would take hours to do manually. In this video, we'll be giving you a quick tutorial on how to use DALL-E 2 to edit images, and we'll cover everything from how to upload your images to the platform to how to apply different filters and effects to enhance your images. So, if you're ready to take your image editing to the next level, then stay tuned and let's get started. Now, there are two things we're going to edit today. An image generated by DALL-E 2 using the different prompts available. For example, all of these prompts that we are seeing right now, the different images that we have, and by uploading an image. We're first going to edit an image generated by DALL-E 2, and then later on we're going to edit an image that we will be uploading from our computer or from the internet, depending on where you would like to get your content from. So first, we're going to think of a topic and we're going to choose a style based on these options over here. Right now, I would like to have this one over here. We're going to go with this one for now, and we're going to copy the prompt, and we're going to go back and we're going to paste it, and we're going to change our prompt a little bit. We're going to change it from a photograph of a sunflower with sunglasses in the middle of a flower in a field and bright day. We're going to change it to maybe a pug with glasses in on the middle of the flower in a field on a bright sunny day. We're going to ask DALL-E 2 to generate this, and then we're going to check out what we could do with the generated images, how we could edit it, what we could do to alter and edit the image, and we're going to explore all of those different options. And as you can see right now, it's generating 4 images, and there we have it. We have 4 different images generated for us. You can simply check them out one by one. If you're unfamiliar with DALL-E 2, this is what you could do. You could select different images so that you would be able to preview them closely, just like that. And as you can see here, whenever we click, we could have this option: edit, variation, share, and then save over here or save to collection. You could also download this image or you could flag this image. And what we're going to explore today is we're going to click on edit over here. By clicking on edit, we would be able to edit contents of this page. As you can see here, this is our canvas. It is currently generation frame 1024 x 1024. This is the size. And you can enlarge your range over here on the right side. As you can see, the lower I get, the smaller the circle is. And the higher it is, the bigger the circle is. So that you would be able to edit bigger parts of your content. Now, as you can see here below, this is an eraser. So basically, if I use this on the top part of our page, we would be able to erase that specific section, and you would be able to add an image on the specific section that we have added over here. For example, we're going to delete this, and we're going to change it to snowy background, just like that, and we're going to click on generate, and it's going to generate a snowy background for our background over here. As you can see, it tried to do what we asked it to do, but as you can see, it failed one way or another. This means that DALL-E 2 is not perfect. It will make mistakes every now and then, so you're just going to have to try again. We're going to go back to our original right now, click on edit, and we're going to continue with this one. Over here, we could click on select. You would be able to select the images and you could move them around. You could see this is a frame. You could put it here on the left side and you could generate an entirely different frame. You could choose whatever frame that you would like. For example, you would like to add like an extension, extend the flower garden, just like that. Click on generate once again, and it's going to generate a frame for this section, which will add into this section over here. So you're going to wait for a few seconds or minutes, depending on what your internet speed is. And as you can see here, it's going to generate some options that we have. It's not that much. It's not great. You're going to have to make a better prompt over here, and I suggest that we make it closer. So we're going to do this once again, make it closer, extend the flower garden, generate, so that it will have content awareness. We're going to wait for it for a few seconds once again, As you can see, it generated an image related to the image that we originally have. And we have these options over here. As you can see, we have different options that we have, and you can simply choose whatever options you would like. For example, this one, we're going to go with this one. Click on accept, and we are now able to extend our photo over here. As you can see, we could do the same thing on this side. Now you could do a generation frame over here, which is very similar to what we did. As you can see, for what we did earlier, we did select and drag it around, but for this one, you could do it and automatically easily put it wherever you would like without dragging it and edit whatever you would like to have. Over here, we could generate this once again, and it's going to generate almost the same thing it did over here on the left side. As you can see here, also we have another icon here below. We're going to check this out next, and we're going to wait for this to finish loading first. And just like that, it added an extension to our image, and we have different options once again. As you can see here, we could have this one if you would like this, or you could have this one, or this one, or this one. You could choose any of this option, so we're going to go with this one for now. And as you can see, this is our photo. As you can see, it became larger. And you could do whatever you would like to do. You could do more extension, edit your prompt over here, and you would be able to add more things to your photo. You could also click on upload image over here, wherein you could upload image directly to this section over here. And it's like a shortcut, or if you don't want to go back to the original page and upload an image, you could do it directly over here. But for now, we're going to go and do the original way. Now, if you would like to download this photo that you have edited, you could click on download over here on the top right, and you would be able to edit this specific photo. But for now, we're going to go to our home page. We're going to leave this for now, and we're going to upload a photo. So we're going to go to Pixels over here, wherein we can get free stock images that we could use for our image over here. So we're going to look for an image that we would like to download. For example, this one over here. We could download this, click on free download, and we're going to wait for it for a few seconds to download. And as you can see, it's downloading. We're going to go back here. We're going to upload an image. Select the image that you have selected, and we're going to have to crop this. We're going to crop it just like that, and crop it like that. Then generate variation or edit image over here. We could generate variation, and DALL-E 2 would create variation based on this image that we have uploaded. You could choose other different images depending on what you want, or you could use your own image if you would like also. For example, you could upload your photo, your selfie, or whatever photo that you have taken, and you could use it for DALL-E 2. Now, as you can see here, we're going to go back here, and it's generating variation of our photo. As you can see here, we have different variation created for us, and it's not perfect. It's not the greatest. You can see errors on the face or errors on the generation of the photo. So for now, we're going to go and click on edit, and we can do the same thing we did earlier. We could erase section, we could click select, you could drag the box over here, and you could add more content to this photo. For example, we're going to add it over here, and we're going to add a mirror that reflects the woman, just like that. Click on generate, and it's going to edit and generate the specific prompt that you have added to DALL-E 2 into this section over here. I'm going to generate once again. Because of the server overload, there's going to be a lot of requests, so we're just going to try again, and then we're going to wait for a few seconds or a few minutes. And as you can see here, it's not perfect. It failed once again, but it did take in the content awareness of the background. So we're going to try again. We're going to do this one more time. We're going to do this. We're going to add a lower body, just like that. Click on generate, and keep in mind that there is a limited amount of credits that you have per month, so that you should be careful with how you use your prompts or how you use DALL-E 2 to generate images. We're going to check out another image in case this fails once again. We're going to use this image next time if this fails once again. So we're going to see if it fails, and as you can see, it did a good job. It added a lower leg, as you can see, and there's different options over here. There's a cross-legged option over here, open leg, just like that. I think this is the best option that we have right now. We're going to click on accept, and as you can see, it added and edited the image that we have chosen. You could do this to almost every photo that you would like to have. We're going to try this again. We're going to upload a different image. Going to use this as an image right now. Over here, we're going to click on check, and as you can see, we could erase this one that we used earlier for the meantime. make this bigger like that. Then we're going to click on select. And this time we're going to add, over here, we're going to add a whale jumping out of the water. Just like that. Click on generate. And let's see if it is able to generate an image that we are asking it to generate. I'm going to wait for a few seconds once again. And as you can see here, it generated an image for our photo. And it is contently aware. Once again, as you can see, the other photos are not that great. But this one is really great. And as you can see, we could apply that. And you could do this slowly but surely and fill in the blanks of your page. For example, you could fill in this section next time. And you could do this over and over again until your photo is complete. And that's it, guys. That's how you can use DALL-E 2 to edit your images. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.